Okay, welcome back. Now you're probably wondering why we haven't drawn the other side in here. And it's because we actually don't need to. We can just copy this one. It's going to be exactly the same. It's going to be mirrored. So this program has a command, a mirror command, so we can use that. The only thing that's missing is we need to place the mirror in. So that's what we will do first. So along the top toolbars, and yours might be hidden in a down arrow, look for the plane command. And that's it there, plane. Click that, and we get this dialog. It's automatically set at offset, but so click the down arrow and look for mid-plane and select mid-plane. So nothing will happen yet until we select some entities. And if you hover your cursor there, it says mid-plane requires 2 points, 2 planes, or an open edge. So we're going to use 2 planes. So one of the planes will be this face on that new end that we drew. So we're going to click on that face. Now we need this face here. So what's left of that little rebate. So we click that, and it's going to create, as you can see it there, it's hard to read, but it says plane 1, and that should be right in the middle of that piece. And that's exactly what we want. If you select the wrong things, we can deselect over here. So just to double check, make sure you've selected mid-plane. And tick. Now we've got that plane there. Now we can use that as a mirror. So looking across the toolbars, we're going to look for the mirror tool. And again, you might have to look in down arrows, but once you find it, click on it, and we get this dialog. And yeah, we definitely want a part mirror. So make sure that selection is set to part mirror. We want it to create a new part. So make sure that's select. And it says, well, what's here is entities to mirror. And we're going to click on the side piece. So we can click here to select it. It's highlighted, so we could select it. Or the other thing we could do is click down in the parts browser here. So we could click side. Now it's asking us what do we want to use as the mirror plane. So let's click that to select that dialog. Then we're going to click this plane 1 that we created. Click that. It puts that part in place. The preview looks right. Once you're good, you can tick. Now that plane is no longer needed, so that's in the browser now. So let's turn it off so our view looks much nicer. Let's rename this. This will be, where's the rename? This will be side 2. Which of course we can go back and rename this as side 1. Just to differentiate easily between the two. Oops, not side 12, side 1. Okay, do an orbit, have a look what you've created. That's how we'll be building it in the classroom as well. And that's it for this video.